wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some harness on.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing a wig review on this unit right here. This is from Motown Tress. This is the Slay and Style. This is the deep part lace front wig, HD invisible lace, spinnable part. It is what else? Oh, also it is 400 up. Also, it's safe up to 400 degrees. The length is 13 inches. The color that I have is OFH4/blonde. I have the same color as the model. Hopefully you guys can catch the view. And I hope my camera lighting is good. I have like 4 lights on right now. So yeah, this is the color. Hopefully you guys have got a good look at the color or whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the details. If I don't mention all the details, I will have all the details in the description box. So after my details, I'm going to give you guys my thoughts. So yeah, let's jump into it. So yeah, this is the part. I added powder. Yeah, the parting so yeah, the parting is very nice. I don't have any cons with that at all. The wig does come with baby hairs. I normally don't use synthetic baby hairs or baby hairs period, because I'm not really that good with them, but I am trying to learn it. But at the moment, I don't really feel a need to, you know, use baby hairs. But yeah, I really do like the color on this unit. It's really, really pretty. I couldn't get my hands on the Zuri Ben wig, so this to me looked similar, so I went out and grabbed this. So anywho, let me jump into the details like I stated. So yeah, the cap is normal size. It can fit small and big head. It does come with straps. The lace is really nice. I did not have any shedding. I don't have any tangling. The lace is Swiss. It is orange safe. So those are mostly the details. So my thoughts on the wig is I really like the color. The only thing I don't like is let's see, is I'm going to be doing this all day. But that's just a personal thing with me. So yeah, that's the only thing I don't like. It's just that I gotta constantly do that, but that's just personal. So for you folks that don't really like all hair in your face, I'm gonna see how it's gonna look with me just wearing it, you know, pinned away like that, so behind the ears. So yeah, this is how it's looking. It still looks good. It still shows the color. I'm probably going to go in and like unbump this a little bit. To me, it's too bumped at the edge, but that's, yeah, I think that's all that I'm going to change on it. But other than that, I really do like the wig. It's pretty. I will be wearing this out in public. the color blends really nice. Can you guys see that? It has a real nice blend. And then the color that's in the front, that first strand, it's like a big huge chunk that's dyed that same color. So it's really nice. So yeah, before I start rambling, that is all that I have to say. I do like the unit. Only cons I have is just personal, which is not a con at all. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys stay safe and all that, stay productive, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.